Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial here. This is Maggie Osama from Online Learning School, and today I'll be showing you an easy way to create morphing shapes animation in After Effects like this. So first thing I'm going to do here is that I'll hit Control or Command N on keyboard to create a new composition. I'll call it Morphing Shapes, then click OK. Now I'll come here, right-click New, and select Shape Layer. I'll open it up, then come here to the Add button, click on it, and here I'll add a rectangle. Then click on it again and select Polystar. Then click again and add an ellipse. And then click again and select Polystar. And this Polystar, I want it to be a triangle. So I'll open it up and change the points number here to 3. If you want to scale them up a bit, select the main shape layer and hit S on keyboard to get the scale control and scale them up. Now back to our 4 shapes here, and I'll right-click on each one and convert it to Bezier path. Then I'll go to the Add button again and add a fill. Great! Now let's start our animation. So as my time indicator is set to the beginning of my timeline, I'll open up each path here and click on the stopwatch beside this path. Then as I'm selecting this shape layer, I'll hit U on keyboard to display only the properties that have keyframes. Now I'll go to 1 second, select this keyframe for path 2, which is the Polystar path, hit Ctrl or Command X to cut it, then select path 1 and hit Ctrl or Command V to paste it here at the time indicator. And then go to 2 seconds, select this keyframe from path 3, which is the ellipse path, hit Ctrl or Command X to cut it, then select path 1 and hit Ctrl or Command V to paste it here at the time indicator. And then go to 3 seconds, select this keyframe from path 4, which is the triangle path, hit Ctrl or Command X to cut it, then select path 1 and hit Ctrl or Command V to paste it here at the time indicator. And then last, go to 4 seconds, select this keyframe from path 1, which is the rectangle path, hit Ctrl or Command C to copy it, then hit Ctrl or Command V to paste it at the time indicator, and this in order to create a loop. Great! Now I don't need any of these last 3 paths, so I'll select them all and hit delete. Now if you click on the RAM preview, you would see that we got our shape morphing animation. Great! One last thing, if you want to set a different color to each, we will animate the color field under the fill one of this shape layer. My time indicator is at the beginning of my timeline. So set the color of the rectangle to any color you want by clicking on this color swatch beside it. Choose a color, then click OK. And now click on the stopwatch beside it. Then go to 1 second, click on the color swatch, choose a different color, and as soon as you select a different color, this will create a new keyframe here. Now go to 2 seconds and again choose a different color, then click OK. Now go to 3 seconds and again choose a different color, then click OK. Then last thing, go to 4 seconds. Please note that this is the rectangle shape again. So you have to apply the first color that you have chosen here. So select this first keyframe, then hit Ctrl or Command C to copy it, and then hit Ctrl or Command V to paste it here. Perfect! Now let's click on the RAM preview and see what we have so far. Great! So now we have a wonderful and colorful morphing shapes. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel for more upcoming tutorials, and don't forget to like and share and let me know your feedback in the comments below. Also, if you are interested to master Shape Layers Essentials in After Effects, please consider purchasing my premium course on Udemy. You will find a discounted coupon in the description below, along with more discounted coupons for my other courses. This will support me to keep creating more free tutorials on my channel here. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and looking forward to seeing you in more upcoming tutorials.